What did you ask?
What are you shooting?
Oh, a video for YouTube. Karibu chini ya mti. Hii ni podcast ya dakika hazipiti 5. Idea yenyewe ikiwa nilikuwa inspired, nikuchoche, nikuchekeshe, nikuchanue, na nikuchemshe. Jina langu ni Teto Ole Tutuma na kukaribisha kwa moyo mkunjufu kwa episode tumeita Modern Maasai. So yes, episode ya leo imekuwa inspired sana na the changes in times for how it's interesting to be a Maasai at this time. Na nakumbuka sana through evolution yangu or growth as an independent artist, there was always one term that they used to refer me by, Modern Maasai. So today nitataka sana nikiendelea kuintroduce to the family members wa instrumental sana kwenye hizi episode ukiwaona pamoja na my dad. Kuna waswali sema alikata kuongea, leo wacha tuone kama ataongea. But also I'd like you to meet Kibali and my brother. His name is Ol'Aimerri. Yango. Jeja. Hiyo mo. So oleng. Yegi urube. Kwesi ngora na girume ndog na good morning. Is it okay? Can we go now? That's Ol'Aimerri for you. We will have a talk later. Anyway, this is an interesting point for us to sort of get to meet Ol'Aimerri. Hey baba. Simama ndei vizuri. Ninacheka. What's going on?
I have a flat tire.
You have a flat tire.
So I'm trying to add some pressure.
Nisheng tunajua hii story sana mmezoea, hiyo ndio lugha mtaa. Naweza nipigia tivo na hiyo. So daddy yuko pale ndani, Kibali ndio huyo hapo. Anyway, part of today's chores and roles or work involves going to the market, and we got a flat right there. So Modern Maasai, one of the mottos is to be prepared. You see how ready we are? We have a compression pump right there. So one rule of being Modern Maasai, because it is what I needed to sort of share with you, is preparedness. Maasai was always prepared. Okay. Welcome to the savannah. This is how we live.
It's not a savannah. Yes.
This is not a savannah? What is this?
Forest.
Yes. So part of the challenges of being a Modern Maasai, together with preparedness, we are approaching Kitengela town, and yes, this one challenge here of masks and everything. People taking photos. So here, and I want to. Yes. Another part. Success.
Yeah.